Are you tired of using harsh chemicals for cleaning? It's a common concern. Many of our everyday cleaning products are filled with harmful chemicals that can pose a risk to our health and the environment. But there's a natural, effective, and readily available solution right in your pantry: vinegar. That's right. Vinegar isn't just for pickling veggies or dressing salads. Its acidity makes it a great cleaning agent that can tackle a variety of jobs around the house. Plus, it's eco-friendly, cost-effective, and safe for kids and pets. So you can ditch those harsh, expensive, and potentially harmful cleaners for something simpler and safer. Whether you're looking to disinfect surfaces, deodorize your fridge, clean your windows, or unclog your drains, vinegar has got you covered. So let's dive in and prepare to revolutionize your cleaning routine with these amazing vinegar cleaning hacks. First up, let's talk about disinfecting surfaces. It's easier than you might think, and all you need is a little vinegar. This common kitchen staple is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's also a powerful disinfectant thanks to its natural antimicrobial properties. Now, to create a vinegar cleaning solution, you'll want to mix equal parts vinegar and water. That's right, it's as simple as 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. No need for any fancy measurements or complex ingredients. Once you've got your solution, you're ready to tackle those high-touch surfaces. Think countertops, door handles, light switches, and even your phone. Just spray your vinegar solution onto the surface. Let it sit for a few moments, then wipe it clean. And the best part? You're disinfecting your home without the use of any harmful chemicals. With this simple hack, you can keep your home germ-free. Next, let's tackle that smelly fridge. Vinegar, with its natural acidity, makes a brilliant cleaner and deodorizer for your refrigerator. To start, remove all the items from your fridge. Mix 1 part of white vinegar with 1 part of water. Use this solution to wipe down the interior of the fridge, from shelves to drawers. Don't worry about the vinegar smell, it will dissipate as it dries, taking away the unpleasant odors with it. For stubborn stains, apply the vinegar directly and let it sit for a few minutes before wiping it off. Now, here's a tip you'll thank me for later. Keep a small bowl of vinegar at the back of the fridge. It will act as a continuous deodorizer, neutralizing those pesky odors that tend to build up over time. With this simple hack, your fridge will be a clean, fresh space for your food. Now your fridge will not only be spotless, but also odor-free. Moving on to the bathroom, let's address those clogged drains. It's a common issue that can be quite a nuisance. But did you know you can tackle it with vinegar and baking soda? That's right. 2 household essentials are all you need. Here's how to do it. First, pour ½ cup of baking soda into the drain. Follow this with ½ cup of vinegar. The combination will create a fizzing action, breaking down the gunk and grime that's causing the blockage. Let it sit for about 20 minutes to work its magic. After waiting, rinse it all away with hot water. Make sure it's hot, not warm, to flush the remnants down the drain. This method is a natural, eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. However, if you've recently used a commercial drain cleaner, hold off on this method. Mixing chemicals can be hazardous. Say goodbye to expensive drain cleaners with this natural and effective solution. Want to get those windows and mirrors sparkling clean? Vinegar can help. Let's start with the basics. You'll need a spray bottle, white vinegar. Yes, just the plain old white vinegar you have in your kitchen, and some water. It's as simple as that. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water in the spray bottle. There's no exact science to this, but half and half is a good place to start. Give it a good shake, and your homemade glass cleaner is ready to work its magic. Now here's why this DIY solution is a game changer. First off, it's cost-effective. Vinegar is a lot cheaper than most commercial glass cleaners out there. Secondly, it's eco-friendly. No harsh chemicals, no toxic fumes, just a natural, safe alternative that's gentle on the environment and your health. But what really sets vinegar apart is its ability to leave your windows and mirrors streak-free. Thanks to its acidic nature, vinegar cuts through grime and smudges like a hot knife through butter, leaving behind nothing but shine. Plus, it's a great way to eliminate those annoying water spots that can be so tricky to get rid of. So here's how you use it. Spray your vinegar solution generously over the surface. Let it sit for a moment to do its thing, then wipe it down with a clean, lint-free cloth. Avoid using paper towels as they can leave behind lint and create more mess. A microfiber cloth works best. And remember, always wipe in one direction on the inside and another direction on the outside. This way, if there are any streaks, you can easily tell which side they're on. And there you have it. A simple, cost-effective, and non-toxic way to get your windows and mirrors gleaming. No more streaks, no more smudges, just pure, crystal clear reflections. With Vinegar, you can ensure your windows and mirrors are always streak-free and shiny. So there you have it, the ultimate vinegar cleaning hacks you need to try ASAP. We've traveled through a myriad of ways in which the humble vinegar can be your ultimate cleaning companion. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We started our journey with disinfecting surfaces. A simple mix of vinegar and water can work wonders on your countertops, doorknobs, and even your computer keyboard. It's not just about cleaning, it's about creating a safer, germ-free environment for you and your loved ones. Then we moved on to deodorizing and cleaning the fridge. Remember, no more harsh chemical smells or worrying about contaminating your food. Vinegar is all natural, safe, and leaves your fridge smelling fresh and clean. Next came the unclogging of drains. No more calls to the plumber or struggling with complex tools. A cup of vinegar, some baking soda, and a hot water rinse. That's all you need. Say goodbye to clogged drains and hello to smooth-flowing pipes. We then turned our attention to windows and mirrors. Streak-free, clear, and shiny surfaces are now within your reach. You don't need any expensive chemical-laden cleaners. All you need is vinegar, water, and a bit of elbow grease. But the benefits of these vinegar cleaning hacks go beyond just a clean home. They're eco-friendly, cost-effective, and safe for use around children and pets. Plus, they're easy to implement. You don't need any special tools or skills, just a bottle of vinegar and a can-do attitude. So why wait? Start utilizing these hacks in your daily cleaning routine and see the difference for yourself. You'll be surprised at how something as simple as vinegar can make such a big difference in your home. Clean smarter, not harder, with these vinegar cleaning hacks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.